Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Gmail emails step by step, full 2026 guide. It's really easy. And yeah, by the end of this, you'll be sending emails like a pro. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Sign in with your Gmail account using your email and password. Make sure you're using the account you want to send emails from. Once you're logged in, click the Compose button on the top left corner. This opens a new email window where you can write your message. Next, in the To field, type the email address of the person you want to send your email to. Then add a subject in the subject line. This helps the recipient know what your email is about. Now, in the main body section, type your message. You can also use formatting options like bold, italics, bullet points, or even attach files if needed. Don't forget to double-check your text before sending. Finally, once your email is ready, click the Send button at the bottom. Your email will be delivered immediately, and you'll see it appear in your Sent folder. And yeah, that's basically it. And there you have it. You now know how to send Gmail emails step by step. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more guides like this. Thanks for watching.